Okay, here's some of the projects I've worked on. I made the two greatest commandments plaque here. Love God and love your neighbor. And I made this one here first. And which I kind of like the dark wood and all. But I didn't put anything on the outside of it. To like I did this one here. Edged it anything. So I made a second one just to see how it goes. I've got a Team Kentucky here clock I made. There's a Jesus is Alive. Here's a flag that I made. Harley Davidson. I made a couple of Columbias here. Okay. And these have got epoxy in them. Same way with the Texas. I just thought that looked pretty neat. I thought I'd do one with the Texas with epoxy in it. I did a Route 66 sign with epoxy in it. Here's a bigger flag that I'll probably keep. I won't be looking to sell it because I actually messed up on it. And if you see where I messed up at, you could comment below. And then here's two other signs I made. This one here is painted in the letters. And this one here is epoxied in the letters. And trying to figure out which one I like the best. Painted or epoxy. You can tell me which one you like the best. This is a UK clock. It's about 15 inches long. And it's got epoxy in it. This is a faith, hope, love sign that we made to hang on the door. This is a grave marker that we made for our little dog. This is some outdoor furniture made out of 2x4s. And this is a bench made out of 2x4s for our front porch. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like or you didn't like one to other. And thank you very much.